Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to replace DSG Gear Knob or disassemble the gear knob on Volkswagen Passat B7, B8 and many other models. You have to know that you don't need to remove the gear knob from the car to disassemble the DSG knob. You can do it more easily if it's on the car. Also, you can find a video tutorial on how to remove the gear shift knob and gaiter like this in the video description below. So the gear knob has two side covers. So in these images you can see different gear knob covers that you can find it in the video description below. So you can replace it with this if you want. So first you have to remove the DSG plastic part using a trim tool. To protect the surfaces, use a trim tool. Here is the plastic part. You can buy this separately. You can find it on black. So here is the right cover. It is worn, so that's why you can remove the side covers and replace it. So we will start with this left cover to remove it, and both side covers have four plastic clamps. The first one is here. The second one is over there. Here it is. And here is the third one. And here is the fourth one, but you cannot reach it, so probably you have to break it. So first remove those two side covers from the knob using 2-3 flat blade screwdrivers. So insert the flat blade screwdriver under that clamp. Use a flat blade screwdriver for each clamp. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tutorial Auto. Remove the cover, the left cover. Here it is. There are four plastic clamps. One of them is broken, but it's okay if you don't want to use that anymore. And then we will remove the right cover in the same way. It has the same plastic clamps. Here is one. And also the fourth one, you can reach it through there. Use a flat blade screwdriver for each clamp. So here it is. It is the same with the left one. Here is the gear shift. If you want to see how you remove the gaiter from the gear knob, you can find the video in the video description below. When you have the new covers, you just have to install it back on the knob. Start from the lower side and then clip it. Then put the right cover back. And then install the DSG plastic part back on the knob. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. If my video was helpful, please like, comment and subscribe or send me a super thanks.